Step into the 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, removable floor console, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.